Welcome to A Better Path Coming Soon University, ABPCSU. So, how are you doing today? Welcome to class. This is English class, and we are going to focus on vocabulary. Okay? Last class, we looked at the word conscience, and we changed the word conscious to awake. So, how are you? I'm doing great, and let's get started. So today's words we're going to look at is peace and peace. The words we are using is confusing the universe. So just like Oxford University, we're going to have to eliminate and replace words in our vocabulary and in our dictionary in order for the universe to understand us. Okay? So we're going to look at the definition of the word peace. This peace is written P-E-A-C-E. All right? So it is used for greetings. We say peace, peace. And is used as an order. Peace, be still. And it says freedom from disturbance, tranquility. And as a verb, we can use it to replace the verb leave and say peace out. So this word peace, as I research it, I'm sorry, it was invented for war. All right. So when they were fighting disturbances, freedom from disturbances, then they will bring peace. That means an agreement. So they will stop fighting. All right. That's peace. Now we also have this word that sounds just like it. Peace. This one is written P-I-E-C-E. Okay? It's a part of a whole. Alright? It's humans. Oh, I found out that humans are a part of the universe. So if peace is part and humans are a part of the universe, that means each of us are pieces of the universe. I'm a piece of the universe. You're a piece of the universe. You're a piece of the universe. You're a piece of the universe. Right? Okay, let's see what else it says. It says breaking the whole part of a whole. Okay. And I said right here, I am a part of the Most High Creator. Most of you call it God, but let's call it the real God, right? We all a piece of the Most High Creator. Okay? So, which word are we going to eliminate and replace? Peace, which is a word invented for war. For what is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Or this word peace, where it means a part of a whole. And every human being is a piece of the universe. Together, we are powerful, right? So which words do we want to eliminate? Peace, which is associated with war. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Or peace. This peace means a part of something big. Well, I'm going to eliminate this piece. And I'm going to replace it with just no war. If there's no more war and disagreement and disturbances, we won't be using this word. Right? So this word is gone. And we are replacing it with no war. Alright? And we're going to keep the word peace, which means we are part of a greater mystery. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.